Good day everyone. So we will explore about the acceleration. So when we say acceleration, so it is a vector quantity. It means that there is magnitude and direction, which defined as the rate at which an object changes its velocity. So an object is accelerating if it is changing its velocity. Consider these accelerating objects which are changing their velocity. As you can see in our table, sometimes an accelerating object will change its velocity by the same amount each second. So as we mentioned, we have here the data table above show an object changing its velocity by 10 meters per second in each consecutive second. So this is referred to as constant acceleration, since the velocity is changing by a constant amount each second. So in calculating the average acceleration of any object over a given interval of time can be calculated using this equation. So the velocity time data in the table shows that the object has an acceleration of 10 meters per second squared. So the calculation is shown below. We have here the final velocity minus the initial velocity. So 50 meters per second minus 0 meters per second is what we call, and then we divide it by the time, which is 5 seconds. So our answer here is 10 meters per second squared. Acceleration values are expressed in units of velocity over time. So typical acceleration units include the following. So we have here a combination of meter per second squared, we have mile per hour per second, and we have kilometer per hour per second, and meter per second squared. And that's the end of our discussion for this morning. So see you again for my next lesson. So thank you so much everyone for listening. Bye everyone.